Good morning, class 5th. Now let's start with new chapter, that is Excel. Now what is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that will allow us to organize the data in the form of rows and columns. So beta, what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet in which our data is organized in the form of rows and columns. When these rows and columns are combined, this is known as your worksheet. So, a spreadsheet file is called a workbook, which is like a notebook having many individual worksheets. As we have a notebook, and in the notebook we have so many individual worksheets. Similarly, in Microsoft Excel we have a worksheets. So, on each worksheets, data is organized in the form of columns, vertically in columns and horizontally in the rows. By default, workbook contains 3 worksheets. By default, workbook contains how many worksheets? 3 worksheets. So each worksheet has 16384 columns and 1048576 rows. And intersection of row and column is called a cell. So what is a cell? A cell is a basic unit of the worksheet in which you enter the data. So cell contains 3 types of data: label, that is text; value, that is numbers; and formulas. So students, I am going to tell you how you have to start the Microsoft Excel. Look at the key monitor. Click on the start button. This is your start button. Microsoft Office, and you go to Microsoft Excel. Yes. Now the sheet will be open for you. Yes. This is beta spreadsheet. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This is your spreadsheet. And when you open the Microsoft Excel, an empty workbook opens and the name of the workbook is book 1. So this is your workbook and it is also known as a spreadsheet. By default, when you open the Excel, there are 3 sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So that is I have already told you that workbook contain 3 worksheets. Workbook contain 3 worksheets and this is your row. Okay, and this is your column. So how many rows we have? We have 1048576 rows. And how many columns we have? We have 16384 columns. So now you all know how to open the Microsoft Excel. Now this is the Excel window. I am going to tell you about the components of MS Excel. See here. These are the components of Microsoft Excel. This is your cell, small boxes. This is your row heading. Yes, students, see here. This is your title bar. What is the title bar? It will show the name of the open workbook file. When you open the Microsoft Excel, by default the name is book 1. So this is your title bar. Okay. Next is your file tab. This is your file tab. So when you click on the file tab, so many menus will open, like open, save, new, print, preview, print. Okay, I'm going to tell you about the file tab. See here, this is your file tab. When you click on the file tab, these are the menus open. Okay, it's save, save as, open, close. So this is known as your backstage view. This is known as your backstage view. Now next we have a name box. This is your name box. Okay, now see here, this is your active cell na? So active cell का जो भी नाम होगा वो यहाँ आएगा name box. So how we will read the cell? It's A1, it's B1, it's C1. Okay, I'm going to tell you about, see here. Yes, see here, wait. Yes, now the cell, which cell is selected? E1. Immediately see here, the name is changed, it's E1. When I click here, E2. So this is your name box. This is your name box. Next, see here. These are the cells. This is a worksheet window. This is a row heading and this is your column heading. This is your column heading. This is a sheet tab 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. This is your status bar. Yes, see here, this is your status bar. At the bottom, this is your status bar. Next is your mouse pointer. These are the grid lines. ये जो lines हैं इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Grid lines बोलते हैं. This is your column heading. This is your formula bar and this is your window control button, like minimize, maximize and close. So this is all about your Microsoft Excel window. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about how you will enter the data in Microsoft Excel. It's very easy, beta. First of all, you have to identify where you have to write the data. Suppose I'm going to write the data over here. So first of all, you have to click on the cell where you want to write, so that you have to make that cell is to be the active cell. Okay, after that enter karo data. Suppose I'm going to write over here, it's sale. Now I'm going to tell you that how you have to write. You have to make this Excel sheet on the Microsoft Excel. So what is the sheet? It's sale, name, monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard and scanner. So in this way you have to write in the form of the rows and columns. Okay, so what you will do, you start writing with the help of the keyboard. It's sale. See here, I'm going to write over here sale, then name, its name, जो भी है, its monitor, its scanner. So in this way you can write with the help of the keyboard. So students, what you have to do, you have to make this sheet on Microsoft Excel. Okay, after that you have to save your workbook. How you will save your workbook? Click on this save button, or you can use the shortcut key Control S. Select the location desktop and you have to give its name. Okay, I'll be giving the name, it's class 5. Okay, class 5, and this is your Excel workbook. Save हो गया. Immediately the name is changed on the title bar, that it's class 5. And you have to remember, when you save your Excel sheet, extension is .xlsx. So keep in mind the extension is .xlsx. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about, by default the Excel workbook are saved with the file extension .xls. So this is, you have to remember. Okay, now the next is, you can change the views also. How you will change the views? Look at the bottom. These are the views. Yes, this is a normal view, this is a page layout view, and this is a page break view. By default this is a normal view. Okay, what is a normal view? This is a one page of rows and columns, one continuous page of rows and columns. By default the view is normal view. Now I am going to click on this page layout view. Yes, this is your page layout view. Page layout view will display your worksheet on individual pages. This is my page till cell A to I. So this is my next page. So when you will give the printing command, your printing will be according to these pages. तो मतलब first page कौन सा आएगा? ये वाला first page होगा. फिर आपका second page ये होगा जो आपने डेटा लिखा है इस कॉलम में, J कॉलम में. ठीक है? The next view is your page break view. Yes, see here, it is like this. You have to increase it in this way. See here, this is your page break view. So it will indicate the page break with the lines. So you can click and drag these lines to modify where the pages break. Okay, so this is about your Excel. Now you can close also. Click on the close button if you want to close your workbook. Now do you want to save the changes? वो पूछ रहा है कि आपको changes save करने हैं. Yes, आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर extension आ गई है. Yes. Now click on the save button. आपका save हो गया. Now click on this close button to close your Excel. So this is the way how you will work with the Microsoft Excel. So students must revise. This is your chapter number 9. Thank you.